It's about 11 o'clock a.m. and we're waiting for our check-in counter to open. So, it's supposed to open at 10:55, but it's like 11 a.m. na bago pa siya i-open. And we're the first one to line. I kinda became impatient. Can't wait to get in. I'm so hungry na and I need coffee. So, we'll just wait. Welcome to Korea. Welcome to Korea. We're so hungry, so we found this place that sells tteokbokki and like skewers. More like chicken skewers, I think. So we're going to eat because we're starving. Good morning! It's day 2 in Korea and we're going to Gyeongbokgung Palace. It's about 9:15 a.m. and we're going to get our hanbok. We booked a hanbok rental in Klook. Outfit check! Pack! Anyway, so yeah. It's sunny but the wind is cold. Or siya aircon weather. Although the sweater that I'm wearing right now is a bit hot. Galha siya, but nindot mo ang wind kay murag hangin na siya ba and then medyo bugnaw rapod. Although init lang yun siya. Koreana yung amaga. Ay, opa. Alkataf lang. Anyway, so we're here at the hanbok rental and we're changing into our hanbok so that we can go into Gyeongbokgung Palace for free. So that's one tip for you guys. If you want to go there, you don't want to pay for the entrance, so you just have to wear a hanbok. But just be careful because there are a lot of additional fees. Like with the hairstyling, you have to pay one. The accessories for the men, so also the bag that this one, you have to pay for it. Even the shoes. But for me, I just wore my sneakers na lang because my skirt's long and it's pink. So yeah. There's a lot of people, guys. And medyo sunny na yun siya. Init pa nga. Grabe! I wanna get out of this handbag. Because I'm so init already. Finally, I got some iced coffee and this trending iced coffee tapos banana milk. So I can't wait to try it. Let's try it.
Mix?
Mura siyang coffee with coconut milk. That's it.
Library, National Museum of Modern.
Here at Bokchon Village and we're on our way to get some food because we're starving. And ganina kay ikasabaan kay Abash kay sinkawatak. You're not supposed to make some noise here. So, na yung mga labels actually nga. Please keep quiet. Shh. Ako lang dyan ang Abash. Hey guys, so finally made it to Hanmyeok Korean barbecue and I cannot wait to try, and it seems like walay line, so let's get in. day 3 of our Korea vlog, and it's raining. It's, what time is it? It's like 10:38 a.m. and so we just arrived at Petit France, an Italian village. You know, it's raining, and we got our umbrellas, and yeah. So we're gonna go on tour. Let's go. Hi guys, so we made a quick stop here at Gyeongbokgung. It's a cafe, and the cafe culture here in South Korea is the best. Like, I don't see anyone who drinks at Starbucks as much compared to Philippines or compared sa US, where a lot of people here really go to mga independent na mga cafes. And then the cafes here are so aesthetic. From the coffee, it's really good. I got the cookie latte. It's really good. Char. At BHC in Myeongdong, when I ordered their famous cheese balls. Let's try it. Have to eat it once it's served. So, well, it's really good. Here at Coex Mall to visit the Starfield Library, but we're so hungry. We have to eat first. We're thinking Shake Shack, so let's find Shake Shack first. Yay! Okay, so my nose is peeling guapa. I don't know why, but ever since I got here, it's been peeling. So Korea was good. Kyoto latte iced. So we're here at Coex Starfield Library, and there's a lot of people, and I was struggling to get a good photo. Not sure if I have one, but anyway, nothing that an Arabica coffee can fix. It's really good. I like it. Very strong coffee flavor. I like it. They're so expensive. It's like 300. Just got off Sephora, and then I did not buy anything because they lack a few brands like Rare Beauty, Patrick Ta. They don't have Charlotte. They only have very small brands like Tarte, Benefit, Yves Saint Laurent. Nasa sila yung MAC, but I think you can just find them online in Sephora.ph. So yeah, so wala ko yung nabuy sa Sephora. So let's go to Gentle Monster. Back again at Myeongdong for the third time. Grabe, mark every night na minadere. And I'm having lamb skewers. A bit chewy. And hang siya. Deliciously weird. In a hunt for a samgyu place, yeah. Kuya ba itong outfit, no? Feeling cold, yeah, di ra ba jud? So tis ganda lang jud ang mga sijuap. And every time you look around, there's a lot of cafes, there's a lot of restaurants, so you will not lose options good because there's just so much to eat, so much to try, but so little time. Anyway, let's go! The Coke in Korea has a mild kick to it compared to the one in the Philippines. Yeah, so yeah, just an observation. Hi, we're at Namsan Tower. Wala laging tower. Area so Tungason. Good luck.
주실 분들, 저 연습 한번 해볼게요. 잘하시는 분들.
Be able to see an overlooking view of the city. So. Si Sel, ganahan siya mag-crane machine. So ato siya i-support, ato siya i-hype, no? Or hindi na siya itong roll.
Atay.
Gito pash si Sir, kaya wag siya kadaong. Ako ani kay hindi ko pa kanon ani ron. Kay gisapon. We're back at Myeongdong for the last time because this will be our last full day. Tomorrow we'll be going back to Cebu. And then we've always wanted to do like a photo booth. Finally, we found one! Stopped over at Idea Coffee. This one is recommended by my friend. Shout out to Lords. She said na lamig ang coffee there. And I found a lot of Idea coffee chains around Seoul, so I think this must be good. So I can't wait. In fairness sa Korea, no? Iso good ang coffee, like there's more coffee than actually there's milk, but mas mo overpower ang coffee and it's strong. This one's good. I like this one. However, I need sugar syrup. I need sugar syrup. Myeongdong na dash. All day or day here at Myeongdong. Okay, busy na si Sir. Pangitag. Busy si Sir, pangitag pa sa lubong. So. Imagine na ng imagine na ng Kenny Rogers na muffin with egg. Muna yung lamig. Hi guys, so we're here at Gwangjang Market and we're at the Netflix lady place. Who's there? Fangirling. Anyway, I can't wait to eat their pork dumplings and kimchi dumplings, so I'm so excited. Fangirling.
여기.
I'm fangirling. Kimchi. Have the kimchi dumpling. This one's kimbap and tteokbokki. Hi guys, it's our last day here in Korea. It's day 6, but technically we're actually leaving the country now. But we're gonna leave very late na, like around 9 p.m. So we still have about 2 to 3 hours to explore the neighborhood. So we're going to this cafe that I've always wanted, which is Chonsudang. I'm not sure if that's the right way to pronounce it. We're going there. It's like about 3-minute walk. So we're on our way there. We're just leaving our bags here. By the way, we stayed at, it looks like this from the outside. But anyway, it's like a very small more siya small guest house. I'll just leave the address over here and also some pics right here regarding about their room. So, ayan. Yeah, let's go now to the cafe. This one is very strong. This one's hot cappuccino. I got Holly's coffee. I've always wanted to try this one along with Holly's coffee. Then finally I got to see one here sa airport. This one is strong too. Back in Cebu, I'm so sleepy. On the way, on our flight going to Cebu, it was a very stressful flight because it took us about 2 hours from immigration to scanning to getting our tax refund to duty-free pickup and then finding our gates. So we have to transfer to a different terminal using a shuttle bus. So, is it shuttle bus, no? Or a shuttle train, so we have to ride a shuttle train going to a different terminal. So it took us about 2 hours, so it was a lot of running. But anyway, that concludes our Korean trip. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, guys, and I'll see you next time.